Namaste. I'm Eve. I'm from New York, and I just finished the teacher training with Adishakti. Before I came here, I was practicing yoga for about 10 years, and this experience has totally changed my mind about what I've been doing for the past 10 years, and in that I've gained such a broader understanding of what's behind the practice, and it's really strengthened the foundations of my practice, and I'm really grateful for the teachers here. They're really special and caring and generous with all of their knowledge. It went by so quickly. I'm sad it's over, actually. I had such a nice time and had such a special group of girls to study with. Yeah, I really recommend this school if you're practicing and want to go deeper and understand poses better and theory more and integrate more traditional aspects of yoga into your daily life. It's great. Namaste.